students, today we are going to discuss about analytical question in the unit nitrogen containing organic compounds. In previous class we also studied their three sections. In A section, alkylamines compounds are methylamine and ethylamine, and in another section we studied aryl amine, and here a compound named aniline, and the last third section is known as diazonium salt, and their compound is known as benzene diazonium chloride. So all three sections are completed here. Now we goes on the analytical question for the identification of unknown compounds in nitrogen containing organic compounds. We take a question. Organic compound A, it is unknown here, have C equals to 32%, H equals to 6.66%, and N equals to 18.6%. Its molecular mass is 75. After reduction, it gives a primary amine B. It is also unknown here, but question gave a clue. This product is a primary amine. You also studied in the classification amine, 1 degree amine are known as primary amines. So question said to you to identify compound A and compound B, give their structural formula and its chemical reaction. So various type of steps available in this question. We solve this question step by step. First, you know that for the identification of compound A, we find their molecular formula, and molecular formula is belong with their empirical formula. Also it is known as simple formula. So first we find out their molecular formula who belong in empirical formula with the help of a table. Then we goes on the second section for the reduction of compound A. According to this, in question given, C equals to 32%, H 6.66%, N 18.6%, and oxygen 100 minus C percent, H percent, and N percent. Hundred minus C percent 32, H percent 6.66, N percent 18.6. So the oxygen percent here 42.74. All percentages are estimated whose are available in compound A. Now we goes on their finding of empirical formula or simple formula. For their empirical formula or simple formula, we make a table for the analysis of their simple formula. Elements carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. Its percentage 32 for carbon, 6.66 for hydrogen, 18.6 for nitrogen and 42.74 for oxygen, according to this given composition. Now their atomic weight are the given compounds. Atomic weight of carbon, it is not a compound A. You know that? Here A symbol for atomic mass. Atomic mass for elements. Carbon 12, hydrogen 1, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16. Then percentage upon atomic weight. Percentage 32, atomic weight 12, hydrogen percent 6.66, atomic weight 1, nitrogen 18.6 upon 14, 42.74 upon 16. For carbon, estimated value 2.66, for hydrogen 6.66 because it is divided by 1, for nitrogen 1.33 and for oxygen 2.67. According to these values, we find out its simple ratio. For the finding of simple ratio, we take the smallest values and divide it by the other numbers. So 2.66 divided by 1.33, 6.66 divided by 1.33, 1.33 is divided by 1.33 and 2.67 is divided by 1.33. And the exact numbers who certified their moles are 2, 5 for hydrogen, 1 for nitrogen and 2 for oxygen. So we write their moles with elements. C2, H5, N1, O2. And here we find their empirical formula. So the empirical formula of compound is simple formula. It is also denoted by SF, or empirical formula. It is also denoted by EF, equals to C2H5NO2. This is the first step of this question. With the help of empirical formula, with the help of simple formula, we find out its molecular formula. Then we goes on the second step for chemical reaction. So with the help of empirical formula or simple formula, we find out the value of simple formula weight. Here 2 carbons are present, so 2 into 12, because atomic number of carbon atom is 12, total 5 hydrogen atoms, so 5 into 1 plus single nitrogen atom for 14 and 2 atoms of oxygen, so 16 into 2. Now 24 plus 5 plus 14 plus 32 equals to 75. It is the empirical formula weight, SFW or EFW. It is helpful for the finding of their molecular formula. You know that the molecular formula of compound equals to empirical formula or simple formula whole taken n. This is the formula of MF. Shortly we also write it SF W or EFW equals to 75. And molecular formula MF equals to SF whole taken n. For the formula of n equals to molecular weight or molecular mass who is given in this question. Upon simple formula weight are also denoted by SFW or EFW. So we also write it n equals to m upon SFW. According to the question, the value of m equals to 75. Then we put up it n equals to 75. And SFW is also 75. So the value of n equals to 1. Now we put this value for the finding of molecular formula MF. If n equals to 1, then according to molecular formula, MF equals to SF whole taken n. And formula is C2H5NO2 whole taken 1. Then MF equals to same of empirical formula C2H5NO2. Students, this is the compound A according to this question, because here A is unknown. Now we identify C2H5NO2 as a nitroethane. Now the question say to you, after reduction it gives a primary amine B. So the reduction of nitroethane gives 1 degree amine. All reduction reactions are completed with nascent hydrogen. How can we produce it? So various type of compounds are available whose gives nascent hydrogen, like as acid and HCl gives nascent hydrogen. after chemical reaction. It makes SnCl4 and reduce hydrogen. So in this question we take nascent hydrogen for the reduction of compound A. A compound A is C2H5NO2. It is reduced by nascent hydrogen. It's known as the active mass of H, and after reduction it makes primary amine. And the simple formula of primary amine is RNH2. It is also known as the alkyl amine and 1 degree amine. So here nitrogen consumes 2 hydrogen atoms to form amino group NH2, and then 2 oxygen atoms consume 4 hydrogen atoms for the formation of water molecule. So total 6 hydrogen atoms are consumed in this reduction reaction. First product is C2H5NH2. It is known as a compound B because it is a primary amine. It is known as ethyl amine, also known as a 1 degree amine, and subtracted water molecule, so plus twice H2. This is the compound B, and here we completed the second section of this question, chemical reaction. Now we go down the third last section of this question, because question say to you find their structural formulas. So here this one is compound A and this one is B, then their structural formulas are given as. For compound A, it is known as the nitroethane. Its molecular formula is C2H5NO2 and structural formula is as C single bond C. Each carbon shown their valency 4. So single bond, single bond, single bond and single bond. Nitro group is NO2, hydrogen H, H and HH, and then second compound B, it is known as ethylamine. Its molecular formula is C2H5NH2. Its structural formula is C single bond C and single bond NH2, H, H and HH. These are the structures of compound A and compound B. Students, in another class we also take some analytical questions whose are based on the given percentage values, or also some questions whose are given in the unknown identification by the basis of their chemical reaction, and take some important facts of this chapter, nitrogen containing organic compounds.